Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if your husband is as picky as mine is about what kind of shoes he wears, then you've got to check out these super comfortable loafers from ZOKSOVE. These are really easy to slip on because they have a knitted collar and side goring that's very stretchy, and it conforms nicely to the sides and the front of the foot. My husband wears a size 10 and a half, and that's the size that we got in gray, and he does feel that these are true to size. He's even able to wear them with a pair of thin socks. One of the other things that's great about these is the insole is removable. So if you're someone that has orthotics like my husband does, it's easy to take that out and put in your insoles. But they are really comfortable and squishy if you're just going to wear them by themselves. These are really lightweight and they're made from canvas. And bonus, they are machine washable, which is awesome. ZOKSOVE has other colors in this style of shoe, so you're sure to find the one that is perfect for the man in your life. My husband really likes them, and that's my point of view.